Brad Williams, Excel Prime, the workday function. It serves a purpose, okay? It's good and it's bad. It's good in that it's going to throw out any holidays and weekends. The bad thing is it does not include the start date. It's a horrible, horrible contradiction. A start date means a start date. But here in Excel's language, it says you pick a date after a given start date. The Excel workday function is a date time function that calculates the day that is a specified number of working days before or after a given start date. Think about that just for a second. This is Excel language, it's not mine. Just think of how poorly that's written. Let me just give you an example. Use your fingers if you have to. No holidays here, just the weekend. We start our work on Monday. We're not putting project start date here in order to start on Tuesday. We're going to start on Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You go to Friday, that's 5 days. Monday's a work day, Tuesday's a work day, but Excel says your project's ending March 14th, 2029. Can you believe that? Really? Look, this is what you could do. If you're not working the start date, that's fine. If your project is to start the next day, number of days, -1. Take C5 -1. C1 -1, copy it down. This is only if you're not counting the start date. If you're counting the start date, you certainly want to use this because here we go. Monday. Well, we're working on Monday. It's a start date. Count 7 days, excluding the weekends. Tuesday. You're going to have to do the same thing here. C5 -1, count down, control down. This is counting holidays. And there's no holidays in March. These should equal each other. A glaring mistake. But that's an easy fix. I know I get really angry when I run across this. And I'm angry a lot because I think you can probably get the gist from my tone and where I point out the mistakes. And the mistakes piss me off. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.